Welcome to the tutorial on the Interactive Guidance to Designated National Authorities, DNAs, on the operation of the Rotterdam Convention. The objective of the Rotterdam Convention is to promote shared responsibility and cooperative efforts among parties in the international trade of certain hazardous chemicals. Designated National Authorities, also known as DNAs, are the contact points designated by each party in relation to matters pertaining to the Convention. The purpose of this interactive tool is to provide information on the operation of the Rotterdam Convention to DNAs. The tool is also a valuable source of information to those interested to obtain detailed information on the Rotterdam Convention in a few clicks. How to access the interactive DNA guidance. The new interactive version of the DNA guidance is available on the website of the PIC Convention at www.pic.int. From the main navigation menu, click on Implementation and then on Resource Kit. On the Resource Kit page, scroll to the Interactive Guidance to Designated National Authorities on the B Guidance section. The Link desktop version is the standard version, while the tablet version is a version optimized for a vertical format. This video clip demonstrates the desktop version. How to navigate the tool. This is the main index of the DNA guidance. The link on the top of this page, Use of this guidance, resumes all main navigation functionalities. A click on the title Guidance to Designated National Authorities will always load the main index page. From the main index, you can click on a chapter title and get a menu listing all sections and jump directly to the desired location. On the top left, a button with horizontal lines will open a contextual menu with links on the chapter paragraphs. Each chapter is also available for download in PDF format. On the bottom bar, two arrows will scroll horizontally through the chapters. The centered button with horizontal lines will open the Index menu. The Annex 5 Forms and Instructions navigation is slightly different from the other annexes. In Annex 5, there are two buttons not present in other pages. Form Instructions uses a different menu for paging the content. The guide includes 1. Introduction and Summary. This section provides general background information to countries on the purpose and function of the Rotterdam Convention. 2. Chemicals in the Rotterdam Convention. Provides a detailed explanation of the process of adding chemicals to Annex 3 of the Convention. 3. The Prior Informed Consent, also known as the PIC procedure, provides parties with information on how to make a decision to receive or not to receive future imports of the chemicals listed in Annex 3 of the Convention. 4. Export notification and information to accompany exports. This section summarizes the provisions of the Convention related to information to accompany export, including export notifications. 5. Information exchange. Explains how parties can exchange information on potentially hazardous chemicals and to share related experience. 6. Responsibilities of DNAs and governments in implementing the Rotterdam Convention. This part contains a checklist on actions that are required from the parties in the implementation of the Rotterdam Convention. 7. Coordination with key stakeholders at the national level. This section provides some points that might be considered in working with key stakeholders, both within government as well as outside government. Each section of the guide may be used separately. As such, there is some redundancy between sections. Annexes to the DNA guidance. The appendices to the guide include the text of the convention and forms and instructions developed in support of the key operational articles of the convention, and also covering documents and procedures to include a chemical in Annex 3, information on the PIC circular, a list of chemicals codes for customs, and a frequently asked questions section. Uses of the interactive DNA guidance. The interactive tool contains accessible information that can be used by different stakeholders at any time. It is particularly interesting for newly appointed designated national authorities. And it is also attractive to government authorities, experts, representatives of civil society, the private sector, and students looking to understand the operation of the convention. This tool is also helpful for trainings and awareness-raising activities in different countries. Thank you for watching this video.